We have lived in Florida for a year now, and we have learned one very important thing, and that's that it's hot down here almost all of the time, and that Florida man's a real thing, but we can't take it anymore. And so instead of moving to Antarctica or somewhere, we decided to do something a little more rational. We scoured Amazon and we tried to find all the best gadgets to keep you cool when it's extremely hot. So today, we're gonna go test them out. Probably didn't even notice I was wearing this little puppy. So sleek, you probably just thought I was wearing some fancy Apple Watch or something, but no, this is one of the devices. This is, I don't know, it keeps your blood cool or something like that. I'm not even wearing it right, it's supposed to go underneath, and I don't even have the pack in it, but we're about to fix that. I've had this on for like 5 minutes, and I'm kind of shocked. It seems to be working. I seem to be cooler, sort of. There's a few problems with it, I can already tell. I mean, aside from, you know, how beautiful it is, like that's a pro. But so the little gel packets, this already feels like it's not really that cold anymore. Right out of the freezer, this feels wonderful. But like we tried everything. We put it in some ice. We carried it in a bag of ice over here to try to make sure it stayed cool, but it's already melted. It's been 10 minutes and this thing's already air temperature, so longevity is an issue with this one. For the first 3 minutes, it's wonderful. 2.5 stars.
And just in case you're curious, today is probably the best day we've had this year to test out these devices. We are under a heat advisory, and the feels like temperature is supposed to be between 107 and 112 today. So even the best devices to keep you cool aren't going to be enough. So we're also going to talk about some of the strategies we use and some of the places we go to help stay cool. Neck fans are one of the more popular cooling devices that we see in the parks all the time now, and we did buy 2 different versions. So the one that Tyler has on is a little bit cheaper. It typically runs about $12 to $15 on Amazon, and it has the 2 adjustable fans, so you can kind of choose where you point them. You can point them at your face, you could like share it with somebody else, like hold it between you and each have a fan. And then the one that I have is a little bit more expensive, so this model was $30, and then they have ones that run all the way up to like $50. And the nice thing about this one is that instead of just having the 2 fans, it blows out all the way around your neck, so the fan is 360 around your whole head.
Me, the first 5 minutes of that wristband.
Of course, when it's hot outside, the fans are just gonna blow hot air in your face, but it's better than nothing. Where the neck fans really shine is when you walk in somewhere that has air conditioning and then they actually have cold air to blow at your face. It feels amazing. Like, it feels like the best thing ever. And personally, I think I like this one better. It has nothing to do with the functionality of them, because I think they both function about the same. I just think this one looks a little bit less crazy than that one.
I look great. When people walk out of that door in that big burst of air, I don't know if there's anything better in life. I truly don't. But seriously, all the shops at Universal are, of course, air conditioning. We're in Florida. So one of the ways that we try to combat heat is we'll jump in. Y'all can probably hear this fan room. We jump into shops periodically. I just turned it up. I gotta hold it. It's cutting my beard. But we jump into shops periodically just to get out of the heat. But there's a few that are notorious for how cold they are, and Men in Black store is definitely one of them. But the ride's on a totally different level. When you walk into the ride and you get hit with that AC, you see puppies and gumdrops and ice cream, and it's magical. Truly magical. Anyways, back to the fans. Fans are kind of like a convertible. They seem like a great idea, and then you get them and you realize it's just blowing hot air on you, and they're way better than the AC, but they are definitely better than nothing, so 3.5 stars. This is one that we are familiar with. It's a frog towel. Basically, it's just, I know you thought it was plastic, but it's a towel. If you've ever had one, you know, you store them like that and they dry out and they get kind of hard, but they hold water. We played a lot of golf growing up, and so we're used to them having ice in them, so I just went to Sorry. Went to I should have put that down my shirt. Went to a freestyle machine and took my breath away. Playing golf, we always had these. You did too, right?
Yeah.
And what you always did, and I know you're gonna say the same thing, we always had two. So you would have one that was in the cooler, getting cold, and then you had the one that was around your neck. And they are just the greatest thing. I knew I was gonna love this one. This isn't even one that I knew, like, that I needed to test. We didn't even have to buy this. We had these at the house.
Does it really feel that good?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Takes you back, right?
This is great. This is heavenly. They actually sell cooling towels at Universal. They're not the same brand as these, but you can get themed ones. They have like Harry Potter and a bunch of other stuff. So if you've gotten to the parks and it's really, really hot and you haven't brought anything to help you deal with it, that is something that you can purchase day of. I'm gonna give this 4.5 stars, 5 stars if it's fresh out of the freezer.
I don't know if y'all can see Anna right over there, but if you can see her, just know that's one of the greatest spots to stand in the world. The AC in King's Cross is actually insane. We're not even really inside. I mean, like, we're still sort of standing on the outside. I want to know what their AC bill is. Just for one day. I don't have to know for the year or a month. I just want to know one day.
When you walk past King's Cross Station, it's like the entire atmosphere changes. There's like a 20 to 30 foot space where Universal has successfully changed the temperature of the outdoors. It feels amazing, and the fact that they have changed like the temperature of the outdoors is quite a feat. This is our next gadget, and it's a fan. I'm a fan of this fan because it's a special one. First of all, this is by far the strongest one that we've used today. I've got it cranked all the way up to high, and it is doing some work. But it is made, I mean, I guess you could sit here and like blow it on your face, it does feel good, but it is made for a special purpose, and that is to clip it on your pants, and then it has another clip on this side that you clip your shirt in, so it blows air up your shirt. I've already tried it some, and I'm not gonna lie, it feels incredible. Like, very, very incredible.
Do you know what it reminds me of? What it does to your shirt? So when I was a kid, I would like box fans. You know what I'm talking about with a box fan?
Yeah, the big square ones?
Yeah, I used to like put my, I hope other people did this so I don't sound crazy. I used to like put my shirt over them and pretend I was a superhero. Or something like I was Superman, I'd put my shirt to make me like puff up real big. I did that naturally as I got older. But yeah, I used to do that when I was a kid, and that's kind of what that resembles. I just had the most brilliant idea.
Okay.
Follow me. Howdy. Oh, where it's sucking in the cold air off the top of it. It's gonna rain, but it's so hot that the world just can't take it. It will burn. Anna, you know how like they test IQs and stuff?
Yeah.
I just passed 200. Wrinkly brain.
I'm super impressed with how hard this fan blows. Like we said earlier, when it's hot outside, it's just blowing hot air in your face. But this one is so powerful that it still manages to feel good. And then when you take it in the AC, it is unbelievable how good it feels. But the only thing I don't like about it for its intended use is that it's so heavy. When you clip it on your pants, it does kind of want to pull your pants down a little bit, so it makes it like kind of annoying when you walk, it jiggles around. But this is definitely the strongest fan that we've had all day. I'm gonna give this one 4.5 stars.
The cup that I filled up is a Freestyle cup. If you've seen our videos before, you knew we were gonna mention this. We love the Freestyle cup, so there's Freestyle machines located all throughout the parks. And you can buy one of these cups. I think to buy one of them, it's like $16.99, and then it's free refills all day, or you can reactivate a cup for about $10. But you can also just bring a cup from home if you want. Like, you can bring a collapsible cup if you don't want to carry a big bulky thing and get free water. And you can also go up to any of the cart stands and get water as well. And with how hot it is, we can't stress it enough. I know we've been having fun reviewing these things, but always stay hydrated down here because the sun will get to you extremely fast. I am still rocking this towel, so you can kind of tell which one I've enjoyed. I don't know if y'all can hear the thunder, but we are about to get some of nature's AC, which is rain. It's coming. It's coming.
So this is the only
Good
item
transition.
today that we've actually purchased from Universal, and it is by far the cutest. Like, it definitely gets some bonus points for how cute it is. It's a fan. This is the only fan that we have used today that only has one speed, so it's off and on. And it's also battery powered, which I get why they have that there, like here at the parks, because you want to buy it and be able to immediately use it. And if it was rechargeable, it would probably be dead just sitting there. But anyway, I have to get it this close to my face to feel it. Like,
did you not see that clap? You were sitting there talking, did you not see that giant flash of light?
no, I'm looking at the lens. Okay, that was sketchy. But anywho, it's better than nothing, but I can barely feel it.
I feel like you're being a little harsh on it.
Oh, I just saw some lightning.
I feel like you're being a little harsh on it because you've had this for like 2 days and you've ran the battery down. Like, you haven't changed the battery. I think it was more powerful when you first got it.
I don't know.
Can y'all hear it?
I doubt they can hear it.
Yeah, I can't really feel anything.
I dropped it and I thought I broke it, but then I realized it just rotates. I guess it's like so it can fit in a bag better because that's a little shorter than like all the way up like this. But I am gonna rate this 2.5 stars. I'm giving it that extra half because it is adorable. I would rate it much higher. It's just not strong enough.
I think it's kind of funny that we have each found an item that's kind of stuck with us all day. I mean, I've had this thing on ever since. Honestly, believe that I might start bringing this to the parks, especially when it's this hot.
Yeah.
Because it is just miserable, and this has honestly made me way more comfortable, and it's not really hard to lug around.
Yeah, this pants fan,
Pants fan.
the pants fan. I'm a big fan of the pants fan. I'm gonna have to wear like certain pants that stay up with it, but yeah, this one's definitely coming back with me too.
But anyways, we're gonna go to the house and cool off. I don't know about you, but I love a cold drink when it is so hot outside. So if you wanna see the best drinks at each theme park down here in Orlando, make sure to check out this video right up here. But thanks for hanging out, and until next time, stay cool, guys. Stay cool. Bye.
Bye.